The Align tool works great for rearranging several elements at once, using a single linear reference. Select all the entities you want to align. Select either Align or choose the option of selecting 2 points for your linear reference. And specify the justification you want for your objects. These will be aligned with respect to their geometric center or their insertion point for blocks. The Elevation Editor works really well along with the Extended Polyline tool to edit the elevation of the vertices of 3D polylines. All the vertices will show in a list, displaying their elevation, distance to the previous vertex, segment length, and slopes. You can modify the elevation of each vertex, change the slope, or flatten the sections comprised by the selected vertices. You can also raise or lower the elevation by a certain value to check small changes. Use the Polyline Wipeout tool to create a wipeout that follows a polyline, with a certain offset. Specify an offset distance from the central polyline, then select the polyline to follow. Then, specify the starting and ending locations on the polyline for your wipeout. A perpendicular line to the polyline will show you this locations.